So today I'll be showing you how to post an Instagram reel directly to your WhatsApp stories so that people can actually watch the reel directly from your stories. And you're going to be doing this without downloading the Instagram reel. So what you need to do is, first of all, get out of Instagram and go to your respective app store, the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and go ahead and search Instagram and make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. If not, go ahead and update your Instagram application. And with Instagram updated, you can now go ahead and launch it and then find that reel that you want to share on WhatsApp stories. Okay, so let's say it's this reel, all right? So what you want to do is simply tap on the share icon, this one right here. And from the share menu, now you will see the option for WhatsApp status. There used to be only WhatsApp, but now you get WhatsApp status. So you can tap on that and that's going to prepare WhatsApp status for you. So you can see we're already inside WhatsApp and it's already prepared the status, and you can now go ahead and publish after writing a caption if you wanted to. And now you can see it's sending status update. So now if I go to WhatsApp, if I go to my WhatsApp account, you can see I have a new status and it's that exact video that I was watching on Instagram. So people can actually see that this was shared from Instagram. You can see view on Instagram and they can tap here and it's going to take them to Instagram and they can watch the video directly from Instagram. So that is basically how to share Instagram Reels directly to WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.